a Royal Flying Doctors Clinic flight on its way to Wilcannia in far west New South Wales. Just one of the 4,000 that the RFDS will do this year across the southeastern section. Although best known for its emergency retrievals, this is the modern face of the RFDS, delivering vital primary health services to remote communities. On board are 2 GPs, a women's and children's nurse, a mental health specialist, and Lynn Main, an RFDS dentist. Tooth decay is ranked Australia's second highest diet-related disease, with an economic impact as big as heart disease and diabetes. Poor dental health is not only debilitating, but has been linked to other health conditions such as poor nutrition, cardiovascular disease, stroke, low birth weight, pneumonia, and diabetes.
The Flying Doctor Service has been providing dental services in the Far West for 14 years now.
Morning, Max.
We do over 300 clinics a year and provide services to about 3,000 patients. It's sad to see the state of the dental health out here, with high rates of dental decay in children and adults, and a lot of missing teeth.
Show me how you brush. And round in circles?
Fortunately, since we've started, we have seen a change in the type of services that we're providing. We've got a lot more people now attending for preventative measures, coming back for their checkups, and correspondingly we do a lot less extractions than we did in the first half of the 14 years. And that's right across the board, from the young kids right up until the adults.
Get you another appointment?
We also provide the public dental services in Broken Hill, and we've managed to significantly decrease the waiting list for both emergency and denture services in the town.
The Flying Doctor hopes to replicate this success with a new dental service to be operated out of its Dubbo base. The Tooth program will take some 128 dental clinics into Collarenebri, Burke, Gadooga and Lightning Ridge in the first year.
The local government area of Burke, Brewarrina and Walgett has a total population of around 7,000 people. In that region, children have a much higher rate of irreversible tooth decay than in other parts of the state. Aboriginal Health Services and others have begun services into the region, and the RFDS program will complement and add to these other services.
The $2.5 million needed to fund the first 3 years of the Tooth program will come from a unique partnership between the RFDS, Investec, a specialist bank, and the Gonski Foundation.
Investec Bank has made a philanthropic commitment to the Australian dental community through the Investec Foundation. One of the foundation's aims is to support best practice in the industry and improve service delivery through health, welfare and education programs.
Similarly, David Gonski, one of Australia's most successful and influential businessmen, and his wife Orly have a long-standing involvement in various health programs through the Gonski Foundation.
Dental health in remote Australia is a pressing problem today. Last year, over 1,000 school-aged children in the upper western parts of New South Wales had untreated, irreversible tooth decay. This partnership is about fixing that, and we're very proud to be involved in solving something and being the seed investors into something that one day will be, I'm sure, something taken over by government.
We in the Flying Doctor Service are very excited about this dental program, which reaches out to disadvantaged communities in Western New South Wales. While the program is fully funded over the first 3 years by philanthropic donations, it is also a very robust model that can be invested in by state and Commonwealth governments, as it is also delivered in harmony with Aboriginal medical services and can be expanded to deliver a range of primary health services to those people who live in remote Western New South Wales.
All in the day's work for the doctor before he flies back 170 miles to his base at Broken Hill.
The RFDS has been delivering health services to remote Australia for over 80 years. And this new service, the Tooth program, funded by generous RFDS donors, Investec Bank and the Gonski Foundation is now part of that proud tradition.